welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be focused on skincare, and I'm just going to walk you through my entire everyday morning, yes I had to specify morning, skincare routine. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright y'all, so this is a part of my skincare routine, but I'm definitely going to add some now because I cannot be talking to you guys with ashy lips. It just feels weird. Before we get started, I just wanted to tap into how I've been feeling lately. I want to do more of those type of things before I start a video because I know sometimes we all be going through it, so why not go through it together. If you've been following me on Instagram, I've been having such a weird up and down balance of being consistent on social media and being motivated to get out, create, and do my thing. So I had a post probably like a week or 2 weeks ago basically talking about my hard drive being corrupted, not working anymore, and pretty much my entire life is on that hard drive. I have been so stressed about it. You know, all my documents are there, all my important things are on that hard drive. So for it to just have stopped working on me, I just feel like, you know what, I'm gonna go insane. I say all of this because I just wanted to be able to express how I feel on here, and although I'm feeling extremely blessed, it has really like opened my eyes to just processing that life is so unexpected, and you can go through life trying to figure out how you can have a plan, and that plan still may not happen because the universe just has a different plan for you. So I've just been really hanging on to being in the moment, being happy for everything that I've already accomplished, being okay that life happens and I have no control over this, and just being able to accept the unexpected. You know, we're always so focused on the expected part, but what happens with the unexpected? We just don't know how to handle that. So I've been doing well. I've been trying to just get back in the flow of things. I told myself I'm not going to let this deter me from continuing my motivation and being inspired to create. So I went out, got another hard drive for the time being. I went and I sent it out to get fixed, so hopefully, fingers crossed, they can save all of my documents. Like, I'm talking from my resume to my photography portfolio to the content that I create to new content that I've created that I was so excited to share with you guys, but boom, here we go. I just told myself that cannot be something that deters me or stops me in my tracks. I gotta keep going. If you're currently dealing with something where you have absolutely no control over it, it was unexpected, just take a breather, just acknowledge the situation that you're in, and just move forward. It's going to be okay. I'm sure you've always had hard times in life that you've overcome, whether that's through a relationship, or if that's work life, or if that's friend life, or that's just something personal in general. You've been able to overcome that. So continue to push forward, continue to just pray on it, keep faith, breathe, and you got this. But let's get into the skincare routine. So I've already cleansed my skin, and guys, throughout this video, if you see how crappy my nails are, just don't talk about it. You can talk about me in your group chats, that's fine, I don't see it, but don't talk about it online, okay? Don't talk about it in this video. Matter of fact, don't talk about it in group chats. It's embarrassing, okay? These nails have been struggling for weeks, but I'm gonna get it together. So yeah, I already cleansed my skin. I used my Tula, I forget the exact name of it, but I used the Tula cleanser. So next, I'm gonna move into toner. I'm looking down because I have my products here, and I am going to use my Botanics. This is their Rose Water Toning Spritz spray. You can use this on all skin types, so if you are looking for a toner, this is definitely an amazing toner. It has a light smell. It doesn't break out my skin at all. It's very lightweight. So I really enjoy this toner a lot. So after after that, I'm gonna jump back in with that lip balm that you saw me. This is LANEIGE's lip sleeping mask, and this is in Sweet Candy. This is my absolute favorite. I've tried, I think it's mixed berry, but then I just fell in love with this one. But they have a ton of different scents, so if you want to fish around, you definitely can. This is at Sephora, of course, or you can get it on their website. I use this at night, I use this during the day, I use this when I'm home. Like, I absolutely love this. It gives a cute little shine. It's really not a lip gloss, it's a lip mask, but I'll be doing what I want to do. To get back into using eye cream. Before, I used to use pharmacies. I forget, see, I'm terrible with names, forgive me for that, but if y'all know, y'all know. So I've been using pharmacies eye cream before, and then I just got lazy with it, and I was like, okay, whatever. But sis is 30, sis is getting older, sis needs to get back into her entire skincare routine. So I decided just to jump back in with eye creams. So I'm actually going to use my Olga Lorencin eye cream, and I actually love this. You can use this in the morning, you can use this at night, which I do. I apply it to both my skincare routines, and it's just amazing. It's like, it feels so soothing under my lids and under my eyes. And I especially have been wanting to get back with eye cream because for the past like week, I'm gonna say, yeah, for the past week, I've been so bad at having a steady sleep routine. Like, trust me, between binge watching, rewatching, actually not binge watching, but rewatching Game of Thrones again, and staying up super late, and then editing, I just haven't gotten to that steady flow of my sleep routine. So I've been going to bed at like 2 a.m., which isn't good. So you guys could probably see my Target bags, which got BJ bags, Costco bags. It got bags on bags. So eye cream. Been applied. So next I'm gonna go in with my beauty oil. Now this is like my go-to beauty oil for years now. I've used other beauty oils, which I will eventually share with you guys, but this is like my go-to everyday, gives me a nice glow beauty oil. And this is from Palmer's. This is their Luminous Hydration Facial Oil. Our beauty oil, my next step is like one of my most important steps, is to apply some sort of dark spot serum. I live, eat, breathe, sleep by La Roche-Posay's dark spot serum. Like, that is my go-to dark spot serum, antidote, sorcery, magic, everything. Like, I feel like it just clears up my dark spots so good. Now, of course, it doesn't, get rid of it ASAP, but I notice how my dark spots just fade within a week or so. So, with being consistent, of course. But I also recently got my hands on Dermalogica's Power Bright Dark Spot Serum, and I kid you not, I have seen results with this as well. So I'm really super excited that I found now 2 products that are really amazing for me. Alright, so last but not least, we applied everything, And now it's time to add our moisturizer. So I'm using Kiehl's facial cream. Morning routine. I hope you try these products out if you are looking for some new products to add to your lineup, or you just wanted to watch somebody's skincare routine. I hope that this video was one of those videos that you enjoyed. Please, 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 if you enjoyed it, give this video a major thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share it with somebody. Maybe they need a skincare routine, or maybe they're interested in new products. And of course, always a pleasure to make content for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again